2010 Ford Handicap wheelchair van, the UVL extended E250 Super Duty 5.4 liter V8. Truck is absolutely gorgeous. This is a custom built truck. VMI Tuscany conversion is loaded inside. It has an extra seat, the rear power bed, premium wheels, running boards, wood grain, 96,000 original miles, or excuse me, it's 94,000 original miles. Clean Carfax, one owner. Excuse me, it's a two-owner truck. Excellent shape inside and out, no accidents. The lift was just serviced by Mobility Works. It's a VMI Tuscany conversion, Yokohama tires. Plenty of life left on those. Has the rear folding electric bed, backup camera system. Gorgeous, luxurious inside. Sherlock tie down, Q strains in the floor. Very rare to find this setup. It does have the extra seat, which comes right out if you need to. TV, DVD, leather interior. You got the blinds and shades throughout. UVL lift. It's an awesome setup. Got the plastic floor protector, flat screen TV, DVD entertainment system, the Sherlock retractable tie downs, leather seating, very comfortable to drive, has a dual backup camera system, which is awesome. Lighting, 94,086 miles. Van is running, cold air, radio. This thing's got everything you need, all the bells and whistles. You got the extra seat here. It pops right out if you need it to, so you have more space. You could park two wheelchairs in here if you want to, or if you got extra kids or people you need to transport. This is an awesome vehicle. It has the UVL, so the lift is stored under the vehicle. This lift is one of the higher capacity weight lifts that you can get. This rear folding, its power. Now, will not recline all the way down with this seat in here. But that seat pops right out and pops forward, no problem. It's an awesome setup, very comfortable. You have a DVD player in here with lots of headphones to use. Like I say, this van is pretty awesome. Headphone plug-ins there. Got the Jensen flat screen TV, DVD. Sherlock tie downs. Loaded, loaded, loaded van. Show you how this lift works here. This is a UVL. Lift goes up and down. It was just serviced by Mobility Works. Everything is fully functioning and operable as it should be. The lift operates with the remote here. Very simple setup, stowed under the vehicle for easy storage. You have the expanded entryway doors. This van is just very rare. We hardly come across them that are extended like this. Don't miss out on this one. If you're looking for an extended conversion van with the wheelchair lift, this is it. The leather seating. Oh, heated seats also. Heated seats all the way. This thing is decked out. Got your heated seats here. Van is running. As you can see, all the levels are good and proper. Please give us a call at 954-561-2499. If you have any questions, ask for Jeff or Ken. Thank you.